quickly update you on the situation before I head into work. I'm hoping that no members come around and look at me just talking to myself. For those of you who follow me on Instagram and Twitter would probably know that me and Andy have been looking for a house. We basically went to a mortgage advisor a couple months ago, which was amazing. Highly recommend if you want to know, if you're in the Southampton or Hyde kind of area. If you want to know who I went to, she is honestly amazing and really helped us out. And I was expecting her to be like, yeah, you need to change this, this, this and this in order to get a mortgage. But actually she was like, you two earn pretty good, so go get a house. And we were like, oh, okay, we'll go look. So we had a look at a few houses, and the first house that we went to look at, we fell in love with, needed a lot of work doing, a lot. But we kind of knew that it was kind of our house, but we went and had a look at others anyway because we didn't want to buy the first one that we saw, just to make sure. But the other ones were just so small, and this one had so much potential, and we really, really want to do our best to make some money in future. So we were like, screw it, let's put an offer down. So our offer got accepted after a little bit of bargaining, and then we've just been going through the processes. But the other day we exchanged, so that means it's officially ours. All the contracts are in our name, so it's officially ours. I was waiting till that day to proper say things, and I knew it was happening and I knew it probably would happen, but I wanted to wait until it was official, because I just knew that if I say something it would be sod's law and then it would fall through. So it's officially ours, and today is Monday, and on Friday we get the keys to our first home together. But as I said, it needs a lot of work doing. I'm talking serious amount of money. It needs a new central heating system, need to rip out the bathroom and kitchen, need to knock a wall down. I mean, we don't have to knock the wall down, but we want to knock the wall down. So I am basically going to start the renovation vlogs. I'm not really sure what to call them yet. If you have any ideas, let me know. But I will update you on Friday when we go get our keys, and I will show you around the house. Hey everyone, so we are in our house. It's so strange and it needs so much work doing, but I'm just really excited and happy. There's cars, Disney cars. Yeah, there's loads of stickers of that on the window in the main room. In the first bedroom, our bedroom. Oh, really? There's just... So I'm going to give you a little tour around our house. I'm going to head downstairs first and start from the bottom up. Right, so you head through the door here, and I'm going to put a little table here. And then this is our living room. I didn't even remember seeing that when we came to look at the house, but that doesn't matter, that's coming out. We're going to sort out this fireplace. I don't want that. If anything, we can get a log burner or just a recess. This is how big our living room is. It's ridiculous. This carpet is definitely coming up. This house is built in the 1950s, so it's literally everything is the same. So you walk into the kitchen, got a window there. We've got all of this for the kitchen, but what we're going to do is knock this whole wall down and then knock into the next room, and that will be an open plan kitchen diner in here. And then we're going to extend the wall across, and this is going to be my utility room. It's super dark in there. Andy's just checking the meters. How excited are you?
Wow.
And then, so you come through here, so this wall is going to be the one that's extended all the way down. So this is our little downstairs shower room, and I'm literally going to chuck a bottle of bleach down that loo because it's disgusting. And then we've just got a little shower there, so this is going to be a downstairs shower room. And then this is what we are going to knock this wall into, and this is going to be our dining room. And then we've got French doors out into the garden. So that is pretty much downstairs. Let me show you upstairs. So the stairs are really, really long and narrow. It's an ex-council house, so it's fairly big for what it is. So it's a 3-bedroom, so you come into the bathroom, which is much bigger than I remember it because all of the junk is cleared. Again, bottle of bleach. We do have a big old crack in the wall there from one of the concrete guttering, so we need to sort that out. The whole bathroom is going to be completely ripped out and we'll put a new one in, so We're thinking this sort of like recess here, it's just got a cupboard in from our room, so I think we're going to knock that out and then we have an even bigger space. Really weird. Like, I understand that above the door, but why? Why would you do a full pane window for no bloody reason? But anyway, that's coming down. So across the hallway, this is going to be my beauty room slash filming room. So it's got built-in like storage, I guess. That's coming out, as well as all of that, because I need some sort of more room. And then I've got like a nice little, actually it's quite a nice view from like our road and things. So yeah, this is going to be my little beauty room. And then next door is our spare room. So this is probably going to be where all my friends come and stay. Got like 2 windows. Really strange that one's like smaller than the other. It would make sense to like completely knock all of that through, but details. So we need to strip all the wallpaper in here. And then the last room is our room. So this is the biggest room of them all, and it's blimmin' huge. Like, you can fit a king size in here plus anything. This is the cupboard that I'm on about that we need to knock through to make a bigger bathroom, because I don't really need that. I'm guessing it's like a wardrobe, but I don't need that because we've got more than enough room to store clothes in here. So yeah. So now I'm still in like funeral attire, so I'm gonna get all of my rubbish clothes on and start doing some stuff. So I'll probably do some like time lapses and things like that, but first I'm gonna take some photos. Much the rest of yesterday, but we pretty much got every single carpet up in the house. There's still like laminate to take up, but I think we're just going to leave that for the moment because it's quite like easy to like get stuff off of. I think Andy's going to sort of finish off the stairs. It's just got underlay on. I've just come in before work. I've like left a little bit earlier. I just want to see how the toilets are doing. I'm going to whack a load more bleach down them. I'm going to try not to switch lights on so we're not like using electricity yet. It's just so, like, I don't know whether you can hear, it's so echoey. Toilets are okay. I managed to get the upstairs one white again, which was a huge task, and I was gonna film it, but then I was like, a bit gross. So yeah, I'm just gonna flush this toilet and see if hopefully. And no, it's still a black hole, great. toilet seat, so we're keeping that so people can actually go to the toilet while they're here. And then this is obviously my beauty room. Hopefully all of this is going to come out today. This is the spare room. It looks an absolute mess because I came in here to do work yesterday, and the actual wall is coming off with the wallpaper, which is, you know, exactly what I wanted from this house. And then through here is our bedroom, which is, oh my god, so cold. Right, so we've got our bed laid out now, just to see what you want. Hopefully my dad is going to maybe knock through there into the bathroom, because we are going to extend the bathroom out a little bit. So I'm planning to have a small bedside table either side, and then light, like copper hanging lights that hang like just above the bedside tables. So this is like our bed, which is meant to be a king size, but it looks like a double. And then, so this is where I'm going to be show soaping today because half the wallpaper is not taken off properly, and it's got like, this is all glue from the wallpaper. It's like, can't get that off. Just got a coarse brush, and this is all the crinkles coming off. Squeeze the majority of it out. I have been going over with this sponge and just like soaking the wall in it and leaving it for a bit. And then just go up there. It's so satisfying. Good morning everyone. So I realise I'm pretty bad at vlogging for this week, but hopefully next week will be better. So Andy and my dad have ripped up floorboards and are replumbing like the heating, because all of the wires are outside of like they're not in the wall or under the floorboards, like you can see them in the room, so they're putting them underneath the floorboards so you don't see any pipes in our room. So we're doing that. And then hopefully the boiler man's going to come and fix our heating, but it's been over a week now since it's now Sunday, and obviously we got the keys last Friday, so it's been over a week. So now I'm going to leave you and start filming next week's vlog, so make sure that you watch it. This week, well today, we are going to hopefully stay for the first night, which I'm very, very excited about. So yeah, chat to you then.